everyone, I'm Lisa with CAPCo Engineering, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm personally having a great day, but it is June and I'm sitting here in a jacket because my place is cold for no reason. It is what it is though. Anyway, today I wanted to chat a bit about something I've been super interested in lately, but still learning about. So you'll see me look at the screen and read some so that I don't spread any misinformation, but it's fascinating to me. It's called MEP, Homestead Design. Now, if you're not familiar with the term, a homestead is basically about creating a more self-sufficient home. It's this awesome mix of gardening, alternative power sources, and sometimes even having livestock, which has got me pretty geeked up because I love animals. Like I want a whole bunch of chickens, and I'd probably name one Lisa. The key to making it all work smoothly, though, is through robust MEP, which stands for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing design. So let's break it down a bit. A typical homestead usually has a garden. Gardening is a wonderful way to grow your own food, and who wouldn't want fresh vegetables in their backyard? I personally would love to have tomatoes out back. I'd run out there all the time. But it's not just about the food. Gardening can be super therapeutic and a great way to connect with nature. Effective MEP design ensures proper irrigation systems and water management to keep your garden thriving. First up, let's talk about water conservation and efficient water systems. This is crucial, especially if you want your homestead to be sustainable and eco-friendly. Rainwater harvesting. Ever thought about collecting and storing rainwater for your garden or household use? MEP engineers can design systems to do just that. They can create an infrastructure that captures rainwater from your roof and funnels it all the way down into storage tanks. This system can include first flush diverters to ensure that debris and contaminants are filtered out before the water hits the tanks. Additionally, MEP engineers can integrate advanced filtration systems that make this water safe for various uses, from watering your garden to supplementing household water needs like flushing toilets or even drinking the water if it's properly treated. I think I would do that. I would drink rainwater if it was filtered properly. Greywater recycling. This is a little bit different for me, so I'm curious about it. And it's really a smart idea. Okay, so recycling gray water from your sinks, your showers, and your laundry. MEP engineers can design systems that will collect this gray water and treat it for reuse in your garden or for flushing toilets. They can install diverter valves that direct gray water to a filtration and storage system. This can be particularly useful in areas with water scarcity, reducing your overall water consumption significantly. These systems often include subsurface irrigation setups, ensuring that gray water is efficiently used without posing health risks. That's very important. Low flow fixtures. And don't forget about low flow faucets, shower heads, and toilets. They significantly reduce water consumption. Designing all plumbing fixtures to operate at their peak efficiency makes such a huge difference. Okay, so let's move on to energy efficiency and alternative energy solutions. This is where your homestead can really shine. More and more homesteads are using alternative energy sources like solar panels or wind turbines. It's better for the environment and can save a ton on electricity bills. I'm in for that. Imagine powering your home with sun or wind. It sounds magical, right? How cool is that? The right MEP design integrates these systems seamlessly into your home's infrastructure. Solar energy? Thinking about solar panels? MEP engineers can design and install them to reduce your reliance on the grid. They can assess your specific energy needs and recommend the right type and number of panels. They can even integrate battery storage solutions, allowing you to store excess energy produced during the day for use at night or during cloudy periods. This not only helps reduce electricity bills, but also ensures reliable and consistent power supply, making your homestead more resilient and self-sufficient. Like you don't even need it to be sunny out to keep your power going. That's really cool. Wind energy. If you've got the right site, why not consider wind turbines? MEP engineers can assess your site for wind patterns that design systems that complement your solar installation. They work together. They can determine the optimal size and placement of turbines to maximize energy production. Integrating wind energy with your solar panel systems can provide a more stable and continuous energy supply, especially in areas where the wind is strong and it's very consistent. Fruit cellars. Some homesteads go even further with root cellars. These are underground storage spaces for keeping harvested vegetables, fruit, and other perishables fresh longer without needing a refrigerator. It's like having a natural pantry right under your feet. Proper MEP planning ensures these cellars have adequate ventilation and humidity control to preserve your produce effectively. Livestock. Now, if you have the space and the inclination, which I do, you might even have a barn with some livestock. Chickens for fresh egg, maybe a couple of goats, a cow for milk. It's a bit more work, but totally worth it if you love animals and you want a self-sufficient setup. Well, MEP design is crucial here for ensuring proper heating, ventilation, and sanitation for your barn. Community and income. Now, for some people, homesteading is just for their immediate family. They grow what they need and maybe a little extra for friends and neighbors. Others take it a step further and try to earn some money with what they grow. Farmers markets, local stores, or even just selling directly from their home. It's a great way to support the homestead and maybe even make a small business out of it. MEP design helps scale operations efficiently and sustainably, making it easier to expand and manage larger setups like that. You might be wondering, at what point do you contact an MEP engineer? Immediately. How about that? During the initial planning stage. So when you first decide to create or expand your homestead, you're going to want to call these guys because they'll integrate MEP systems from the ground up, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. Before major renovations, or when adding new features like solar panels, wind turbines, or a root cellar to ensure all systems are correctly planned and implemented. MEP engineers are going to give you expert advice on the best MEP system for your needs. Also, they'll ensure compliance with local codes and regulations. Let's keep it legal, people. You might be wondering, how do you contact an MEP engineer? Google's a good place to start. Just Google it. Research, though. Do your research. Look for MEP engineers with experience in sustainable and homestead projects. Check reviews in past projects. I love to check reviews. I won't even order a cookie online without checking a review, so do that. And then schedule an initial consultation because you want to have a meeting to discuss your ideas and needs. In fact, CAPCo does that a lot. We'll get on a Zoom call with a client so that they can meet face-to-face while we schedule and plan things out. You're going to want to share your vision, your budget, and any specific goals for sustainability and efficiency. Ongoing collaboration. Maintain regular communication throughout the process because you don't know what's going to change, and MEP engineers need to be on the up and up with everything. And be open to feedback and adjustments to optimize your design. In conclusion, developing a green homestead demands thoughtful planning and the skills of an MEP engineer. From the initial stages of planning through to execution, they ensure your systems are efficient, sustainable, and compliant with regulations. So for your next homestead project, be it gardening, alternative energy, livestock facilities, I'm excited about that one, or water conservation, consider reaching out to CAPCo Engineering. Their MEP engineers bring the expertise needed to create a homestead that is self-sufficient, eco-friendly, and highly efficient. Thanks for listening and happy homesteading. If you have any questions or need further information, or if you have information, I'm personally loving all of this new stuff I'm learning, reach out. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time.